This 2023 Grand Design Imagine 2800BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. This new Grand Design is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features one slide-out, a Hearthstone interior, sleeps 8, microwave, CO detector, LP detector, slide-out, air conditioning, TV antenna, oven, smoke detector, self-contained, spare tire kit, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Imagine 2800BH is 6,706 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports, visit RVUSA.com.